Hey guys, Life in China with Patrick. I am here at the Grand Theater, the Chongqing Grand Theater. I'll show you, it's behind me right now. But this is actually the first time in my 7 years that I've actually been on this side of the river. I'm always going over to these places and in this side of town. This is all downtown. You can see actually Hongyadong. And let me just zoom in on it. That's a great place to go and take pictures at night, videos at night. The bridge is beautiful too. It's definitely a have to walk through. I mean, walk over. You definitely need to walk over this bridge because the views are just phenomenal. But I'm just gonna walk around for a little bit, give you a point of view. There's Raffles. That's my favorite spot. I always go there, and I always tell you about it's called the Spine, and you can walk up there. There's bars up there. The hotel lobby for Intercontinental Hotel is up there. There's a little platform, glass platform that you can go on, take pictures. Kind of unnerving for people who are afraid of heights. So you got to check that out. But here is the Grand Theater. And they do all sorts of stuff here. They've got ballet, opera, you name it. They do a lot of stuff here. They have a lot of conferences here too. So again, point of view, just walking around, pointing out some things here. Today's nice. It's really nice. Past 4 or 5 days I felt like it was already summer here in Chongqing, but today's about 68 degrees, overcast, nice and comfortable. It's definitely a shorts and t-shirt day. So I'm just gonna keep walking. This is lit up at night. It changes different colors. Looks like the windows need to be washed though. Yeah, Chongqing weather can wreak havoc on windows and structures here. Oh, there's a subway. Goes under the bridge. I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom in on this, but at the top of that, that's called Nanshan Mountain, and at the top you can actually see it's a golden eagle. And I forgot actually the reason why they built it, but you can actually go to the very top of that eagle, its head, walk around. But you can get some great pictures up there too. So let's keep walking. I'm gonna walk to the edge here and show you where the two rivers converge. I just noticed this. It looks like a little mini. So I was pointing out Hongyadong. It's over there. Well, it looks like they're building a new one right in front of Raffles. Let me zoom in a little more. Yeah, those are all new structures. They haven't completed them yet. So it looks like they're trying to have their little version of Hongyadong on the river, which is actually a really good idea. Good marketing idea. Just keep walking. Encore Live House. I wonder if you can sit down there in the evening and listen to a band. I tried to go in to the Grand Theater, but there was a security guard. He wouldn't let me go in. Got the Chinese music going on in the back. Here's the cruise ships. Those cruise ships can go all the way down to the Three Gorges Dam. I had a friend that he's actually a follower. Yeah, we met up just a couple of days ago. Had a nice lunch, and they took a cruise, and he said the ship was really nice. I think they had to go down a little bit further on the train because the water is so low now. I haven't seen it this low in a long time. It's just crazy, man. This city. I mean, every time I get out, I feel like a brand new tourist because this city is just You have to come here just to understand the feeling that you get when you see how massive the buildings are, and just the pure number of buildings. I mean, if you went 5 miles that way, it would be all buildings. If you went 5-10 miles that way, it'd be all buildings, all apartments and business. Check it out here. And see, there's another beautiful bridge. There we go. Yeah, what a great place to sit. Yeah, look how low the water is. You know, when we had that flooding a couple of years ago, that water, let me just zoom in here for you. So you can see this platform of people that are, it's focusing on my finger, but if you look right there, it refocuses. It was almost to that point, maybe 5 feet below that. But that gives you an idea of how much water it had. So it was probably up in here somewhere. The parking for the Raffles City was completely flooded, and now it's just super low. And this is, again, my first time being on this side. I'm always on the other side at Raffles. Figured you'd like to see this perspective. Grand Theater. Yeah, it looks like you can have snacks down here. Maybe some beer, drinks. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here, but I just wanted to show you a point of view from a place that I've never been before. Even though I've been right over there, I haven't been on this side. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you're one of those voyeuristic viewers and you haven't subscribed, I would really, really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care.